Damn, folks, Dave's got me here in the boat. These bears, I got the Kevin the Chemtrail Cobras here with me right here. I thought I was safe. Look up there, Dave. Up there.
Oh, dang. Folks, literally these birds, they just pooped on us twice. They are chumming. These are cormorants. They've ate a lot of fish. And they are pooping. And no joke, folks. I got the gear on.
Purple bag, Dave. Purple bag. Give me the purple bag, Dave. Fast.
All right, Jim. Hold on, man.
Hold that, Kevin. Oh, man.
I thought you didn't want the purple bag, man.
Give me the bag, Dave. Show my fish, Dave.
You got to show the fish? All right. Hey, Jim, you are pretty much safe now. There he is. I'm not a joke, man. They shoot the poop out like 2-3 feet out onto the water. Good thing it went past me. It should be attracting a lot of fish, though. We'll see. We just got here. There's like 8 of them up there.
Cover me up, Dave. Cover me up better than that. Dave, cover me back up.
Oh, man. I bet you that's Chuck over there. Is that Chuck over there? I can't tell. All right, let's get to it.
Ah!
Oh, yeah.